Hi guys, welcome back to Crafterman Creations. Today we're going to learn how I made this shelf. First we are going to take some 3/4 inch MDF scrap and cut it to these sizes. Then, if needed, run all edges through the joint. Next, we just do some light sanding with the orbital sander to hit any imperfections. Be sure to blow off any sawdust before taking the back panel and painting a black X. Now we lay down some masking or painter's tape in an X over the dried black paint. We then paint everything a desired lighter color. I taped and painted black on the top support beam as well. Time to assemble. I used brad nails to hold it in place before I pre-drilled and screwed it together. Once I did that, I noticed that the top and the bottom bowed slightly, making the smaller support beams too short. You may want to hold off making them until this point. I now take a hammer to the flathead screwdriver to drive down the brad nail. All that is left before we hang it is to use wood dough to fill the holes, sand, and then finish paint. You can make nail hangers, but I didn't want mine to move.